Hello children, today let us learn the first lesson in economics development. In this chapter, you are going to learn the nature and meaning of development, under development, developing, indicators of human development, gender related development. Let us try to understand the meaning of development and economic development. The process of enhancing society's capacity to satisfy its needs on a large scale is referred as economic development. Economic development refers to increase in a country's capacity to serve the economic interests of its citizens and overcoming economic problems such as poverty, unemployment, inequality, inflation, etc. Let us see the definition which are given by Professor Mayer and Baldwin. Economic development is a process whereby an economy's real national income increases over a long period of time. Okay children, now what are the main objectives of economic development? Main objectives are increasing income, attaining equality, reducing poverty, unemployment, inequality, conserving resources and environment, enhancing overall welfare of the country. Did you all understand children? Now let us see the meaning or differences between development, underdevelopment and developing. Development is the progress in a particular field or a segment of people, especially like rural development, social development, educational development, women and children development. So, whenever the economic activities in a country expand, it is called as economic development. Now, what is underdevelopment? The word underdevelopment denotes a backward, a stagnant situation where levels of living of people are low due to lower level of per capita income and lower productivity levels apart from high population growth. According to United Nations, underdevelopment countries one whose real per capita income is lower than that of USA, Canada, Australia and West European countries. Developing countries, the countries which are capable of development are making serious efforts to overcome their problems of low income and poverty. They are called as developing countries. Now let us try to understand the meaning of inclusive development and sustainable development. Ensuring that every person is benefited by the process of development is called inclusive development. Preserving natural resources and the environment for the benefit of future generation is sustainable development. So you have learned the meaning of development, underdevelopment, developing, inclusive development and sustainable development. Okay, according to Professor Mayer and Baldwin, economic development has three elements. What are they? They are process, then real national income, long period. Now what do you mean by process? It refers to the operation of the forces that bring about changes in supply of factors of production and in the structure of demand for the products. So many changes takes place in the factor of supply. What are the reasons? The reasons are due to discovery of additional resources, education, skill development, capital accumulation, population growth, adoption of better techniques of production, etc. Even changes takes place in the demand for products due to changes in size and composition of population level and distribution of income, taste, etc. These changes both contribute to an increase in national income. What is real national income? What do you mean by national income? National income is the total value of all goods and services produced in a country during 1 year. Higher the national income, higher is the economic development. The word real refers to the purchasing power of income. Long period. The increase in real national income should be sustained over a long period. The changes in factors of production and demand for goods and services should be continuous in order to bring about sustained increase in income over a long period. So, economic development as a process that extends over a long period, that which helps in reducing poverty and thereby helping a country to achieve self-sustained growth and income. Thank you, children.